Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the top 10 ways to manage your money. We live in a world where money plays an important role in our daily lives, and keeping our finances in order can often be difficult. The good news is that with the right tools and strategies, managing your money can be simple and stress-free. We all have financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, paying off debt, or just having an emergency savings cushion. However, achieving these goals can seem overwhelming, especially when it comes to budgeting and saving. But the truth is that with a little discipline and perseverance, anyone can create a secure financial future. Budgeting and saving are the keys to financial stability. When you budget and save, you control your finances instead of letting them control you. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a budget, save money, and reach your financial goals. We'll start by assessing your current financial situation, setting financial goals, creating a budget, finding ways to save money, and staying on track. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or a beginner, I encourage you to take notes and apply what you've learned today. With the right tools and strategies, you can create a budget and save money that fits you and your financial goals. So let's get started. Step 1. Creating a budget is an important step in achieving financial stability and achieving your financial goals. This includes assessing your current financial situation, setting financial goals, and creating a plan for your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can take control of your finances, reduce money stress and anxiety, and prioritize spending in line with your financial goals. The first and most important step in managing your money is creating a budget. A budget will help you track your income and expenses and make sure you spend less than you earn. To create a budget, start by listing all of your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and entertainment. Then, subtract your expenses from your income to determine how much money you have left each month. This surplus can be used for savings, debt repayment, or other investments. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can start setting financial goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, and achievable, and should align with your long-term financial aspirations. With your financial goals in mind, you can create a budget that allocates funds to the areas that are most important to you, while also taking into account needs such as housing, food, and transportation. By taking the time to create a budget, you can create a clear path to achieving your financial goals and securing your financial future. Step 2. The second tip is to save regularly, aiming for at least 20% of your income. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or saving for retirement, it's crucial to build an emergency fund that can help you weather financial storms and reach your financial goals. Automating your savings, meaning moving a portion of your income into a savings account each month, is an effective way to make saving a habit. However, saving money isn't always easy and it takes a lot of discipline and commitment. However, with the right strategies and mindset, anyone can learn to save effectively. One of the most effective strategies for saving money is setting clear financial goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, and achievable. With a clear goal in mind, you can create a plan for how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. It can be helpful to automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a savings account each month. Additionally, finding ways to save on everyday expenses like groceries or utilities can also help you save more money over time. In conclusion, saving money is an important part of financial stability and achieving long-term financial goals. By setting clear goals, making saving a priority, and finding ways to save on everyday expenses, you can create a solid financial foundation for yourself and your family. Although it takes time and discipline to save effectively, the rewards of financial stability and security are well worth the effort. Step 3. The third tip is to pay off debts as quickly as possible, starting with high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can add up quickly, leaving you with large amounts of interest to pay over time. Paying off this debt should be a top priority because the sooner you pay it off, the less interest you will pay overall. Step 4. The fourth tip is to avoid taking on new debt, except for necessary expenses. New debt, such as a loan for a new car or a credit card for a purchase, can add up quickly. The fifth step is to invest in various assets. Investing your money in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help you build wealth over time and protect against market volatility. Investing is a critical component to achieving long-term financial success. By investing, you can grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. However, investing can be complex and risky, so it's important to approach it with a clear understanding of your goals, risk tolerance, and investment options. The first step in investing is to set clear financial goals. This involves assessing your current financial situation, determining your long-term financial aspirations, and creating a plan to achieve those goals. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game, so your investment strategy should reflect your long-term goals and be structured to achieve them. Next, you need to determine your risk tolerance. Investing always involves risk, and different types of investments carry different levels of risk. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you choose the appropriate types of investments that fit your financial goals and comfort level. For example, if you are a conservative investor, you may choose lower-risk investments such as bonds or mutual funds. Ultimately, it is important to choose the right investment vehicles to achieve your financial goals. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, etc. There are various investment options available, so I will just share my thoughts on the topic of investment in detail. In conclusion, investing is a critical component to achieving long-term financial success. By setting clear financial goals, determining your risk tolerance, and choosing the right investment vehicles, you can create a long-term investment strategy that will help you achieve your financial goals and grow your wealth over time. However, it's important to remember that investing always involves risk, so it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your goals and investment options. Step 6. The sixth step is to consider automating your savings and investments. Automating your finances can help you make saving and investing a habit even when you're busy. Set up automatic contributions to your savings and investment accounts so you don't have to worry about making manual transfers every month. Step 7. Using spending tracking software to stay on top of your spending. Expense tracking software can help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. With this information, you can make adjustments to your budget and spending habits to make sure you're on track to meet your financial goals. Step 8. The eighth step is to regularly review your budget and expenses. Reviewing your finances regularly will help you stay on top of your spending and make sure you're getting the most out of your money. Adjust your budget as needed and track your spending to make sure you're on track to meet your financial goals. Step 9. The ninth tip is to negotiate bills and expenses to reduce your expenses. You can negotiate your bills and expenses, such as your cable or phone bill, to lower your monthly expenses. By reducing your expenses, you can free up more money for savings, paying down debt, or other investments. Step 10. The 10th and final step is to seek advice from a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions. A financial advisor can help you navigate the often complex world of finance, provide you with valuable insights, and help you make informed decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. Our video was up to here. We talked about the 10 best ways to manage your money. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your money and secure your financial future. Remember that managing your finances is a journey, not a destination, and it takes time and effort to reach your financial goals. But with persistence and a commitment to learning and improving, you can achieve financial success.
You can support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.